Septic system backup after heavy rain is a total nightmare, but you can avoid it by improving site drainage and keeping surface water away from your drain field. So, first off, check how water flows around your yard when it rains. Make sure it's not pooling near your septic tank or drain field. You can add gutters and downspouts that direct rainwater away from these spots. Also, think about installing a French drain or a swale to guide water downhill and away from your system. Keeping heavy vehicles off the drain field is key, because compacted soil won't let water drain properly. Regularly inspect and pump your septic tank to avoid clogs and backups. Plant grass over the drain field instead of trees or shrubs, since roots can mess up the pipes underground. If you notice soggy patches or bad smells, deal with them right away before things get worse. And remember, never pour harsh chemicals or grease down your drains because they can ruin the natural bacteria that break down waste. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic system backup after heavy rain is ignoring poor drainage around their property. Fix this by reshaping the land or adding drains to keep water moving away. Another common issue is parking cars or putting heavy stuff on the drain field, which compacts the soil and stops it from absorbing water, so keep that area clear. Lastly, skipping regular septic tank maintenance causes solids to build up and block pipes, so set reminders to have your tank pumped every 3 to 5 years depending on use. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle septic system issues. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making sure everyone wins.